Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question from Economics Class 11 Chapter 7 Employment Growth, Informalization and Other Issues. Our question is, who is a casual wage labor? Casual workers refer to those workers who do not earn regular wages and do not have regular employment throughout the year. They work for a few months or days and earn wages for the work done. Casual workers are not hired by employers on a regular basis. They do not enjoy social security benefits like provident fund, gratuity, etc. They are generally unskilled workers, example workers working at a construction site. In other words, casual labor is an irregular employment or part-time labor, including the labor of workers whose normal employment consists of a series of short-term jobs. Casual labor is usually hired by the hour or day or for the performance of specific tasks, while part-time labor is typically scheduled for a minimum number of hours per week. A typical casual labor of the late 19th and early 20th century was the dock worker. Other major industries that have relied heavily on casual labor are construction, logging, swamming, agriculture, and the service trades. Part-time labor is often preferred by students and retirees who seek regular scheduled work but are not able to work on a full-time basis. Part-time workers can be less costly to employ. For example, businesses in the United States are not required to provide part-time employees with health insurance or other benefits. The use of casual and part-time labor allows employees greater flexibility in hiring and firing and thus enables them to adjust to swings in production. Thank you, and for more such content, subscribe to Intellify.